Okay, excuse me for looking a mess. It's early. I stayed up till like 2 a.m. doing my hair before I went to sleep last night, and then I woke up and finished. But I am finished now. I'm just going to take my scissors and go through and trim off any stray hairs that may be noticeable on the braids. And then I'm going to trim the ends and make sure they're all kind of the same length. And then I'm going to go dip my hair in hot water and then finish off with a little mousse to make sure there's no hair sticking out anywhere. The hair that I used was this Innocent Luxury Premium Hair Pre-Stretched EZ Braid Professional Hair that I found at my local beauty supply store for, I think it was like $2.99 a pack. I got the hair in, I believe it's 26 inches, so it does hit my waist. It was already pre-feathered and everything, so I didn't have to worry about doing any of that, which is nice. And I used 5 packs, well, 4.5 packs of hair to achieve this fullness. They are not heavy at all. Right now they are pretty stiff because I haven't dipped them. And then over time they will begin to loosen up and, you know, be more movable. But they don't hurt. I like this method. I got this method from Beauty Can Braid. I can pretty much pull my hair back day one and I'm not receiving any tension. I did use this Murray's Edge Wax that I also got from my local beauty supply store just to kind of hold my hair and coat it. I like to use this because it's more of like a wax feel and it does not cause my hair to revert back too much, and it gives it a nice hold. So like I said, I'm going to trim up the stray hairs off camera just because I need to be able to look in the mirror, and then I'm going to go dip my ends, and that is it. So I'm hoping to keep this protective style for the next 2 months or so. And I don't plan on doing anything to my hair except for oiling it, using my dry shampoo kind of scalp cleaner on my scalp as needed. But yes, this is a low tension hairstyle. I'm gonna probably wear it down just because it's fresh. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you next time. Bye.